Hey guys, Lego Designer here, and today I will be showing you how to make my 31st edition Lego puzzle box. And if you don't know how to solve it, you could go to the other channel. I show you how to solve it. And yep, let's go ahead and make it. So to start off with a 6x6 base plate. So that's what it looks like. And then some smooth piece. So you could pause the video and make it your own. And then put a layers of bricks in the left space. Okay, and now let's make this piece. It's basically 1x4 plate, 1x3 plate, corner piece, plate, and then smooth piece on top. But make sure you connect them so they won't fall apart, which it goes right there. Okay, and then let's take this piece. It's basically a 1x4 brick, and then I just move the camera a bit up. Okay, and then a 1x1 plate, 1x2 smooth, 1x1 and another 1x1 plate, and 1x1 smooth on top. And then take another 1x2 smooth, but make sure it could slide like this. Okay, and then let's put it right there. Okay, there we go. Here is a 2x4 plate, a 2x6 plate, and then a 2x2 brick, 1x2 smooth right there, and a 2x3 brick. Put it right there. Make sure you push it real hard. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, there we go. Oh yeah. So that's what it looks like when you're done. And then And then let's take a 2x3 plate, 1x3 smooth, a 1x3 brick, and a 2x2 brick. Put it right there. And then let's put 1x2 brick and another 1x2 brick there. Just hammer. Right there. Okay, and then like this piece is a 1x2 plate. 1x6 plate and a 1x6 smooth. Slide it right in there. Switch blocking this piece from coming out. And then this is a 2x3 plate and a 2x3 brick. Put it right there. So you have this first base. And then let's take another 6x6 plate, 1x2 right there. But make sure this 1x2 should be right there on here. And then on top, okay, let's just put this on first. Okay, and then this, make sure that 1x2 plate should be there. And then let's put a 1x3 smooth, a 1x2 smooth, and a 1x4 smooth right there. And then this is 1x2 plate, 1x1 plate, and 1x2 smooth, and another one on top. And then make sure 2 of the smooth should slide, okay? Just make sure. Put it right there. Okay. And then let's put layers of brick on top. Put this there. This there. Okay. Just put a layers of brick there. Okay. And now take a 2x2 plate, 2x3 plate, and smooth this on top. Put it right in there. Okay. And then take another 6x6 plate, 1x6 smooth, and a 2x2 smooth, or 1x2 smooth. And then let's put 1x1 plate right there. But make sure that should be there. So like this. Here. Okay. So when you're done, you will have this. We're not done yet, but we are close to done. Let's take a 2x2 brick, another one on the side, and then 1x2 brick, 1x6 brick, and your price is a 1x2 smooth. Like I use shiny thing to make that as price. And then let's take 2 layers of 1x6 brick and a 1x2 smooth right there. Put it right there. And let's just put some 2x2 brick. Okay. Now this, sorry. This piece is basically a 2x3 plate right there. 1x2 brick on each side. Like this, in a 1x2 plate. 2x2 smooth right there. 1x2, 2 layers of 1x2 plate. And then 2x6 plate. And smooth this on top. You could just copy that. Put it right there. Here. I just remove the camera. Yeah. And then take this. There's basically a 2x2 brick and a 1x2 plate there. And then 1x6 smooth. But before you do that, let's just take this out. And then make sure this 1x2 plate should be right there. Put it right on top. The 1x6 smooth right here is actually real important. Avoiding this from coming out. Okay? Let's take a 1x4 plate and a 1x4 smooth. Put it right in here. Okay. Oh. Put that on top. And now, number 6. And then, actually, let's check this out. And then 2x4 brick right there. Now put it on. There. Then let's put this roof back on. You're almost done. Let's take a 2x6 plate. And then 2x2 plate. 2x3 plate. Smooth piece on top. Put it right there. And then you want to make the same thing. Put it right there. So, that is how you make my 31st edition Lego puzzle box. I hope you can enjoy this video. Leave a like, comment down below, and I see you guys in the next video. Bye.